This is Sharif, or Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday. Not to start off with a weather bulletin, but we have got a snowstorm coming through southeastern Michigan today. We are supposed to be getting 7 inches at 6:30 in the morning on Saturday, January 18th. And we probably already got at least 3 inches out there. And they said between now and 9 a.m. we're getting 1 to 2 inches per hour. So, yeah. Today would have been a good day for a falling snow, Manny. But we can't. We already did that. But today we are doing stencil number 9. This is going to be a hot stencil, a hot commodity from SheModern right now. It is the zebra print, could be leopard. It is a really nice one. So that's what we're going to be playing with. Comes in this nice cellophane little sleeve. Pull that out. Take the backing off. And it is stuck on here. Well, not stuck. It's like clings to it. But we're going to be playing with this. We have got a couple of black stiletto nails. I have cured. I have also put on these SheModern glue gel. Cured this for 30 seconds. This is a must-have. Woo! So that's what we're going to be doing. Stay tuned. Stay with. Please like, share, and comment on my video. Please like and share. That's really important to me. This year I am trying to hit 1K. The sooner the better. I'm currently at a little over 700. And I'd really, really like to hit 1K. It'd be really cool. It'd be nice if my mat would quit sliding all over. So we're going to place this on the nail. Give yourself plenty of room at the tip and the base of the nail. I am going to get my silicone tool here. Run this alongside of the nail on the stencil. This way it adheres the design to the nail. It'd be nice if my mat would quit moving. I can't believe we're getting 7 inches like that. Woo, doggy. I have got a palette from SheModern. I am going to be using, for pigments, Sky Blue Hollow, Silver Hollow, and Green Lime. We're going to take the caps off counterclockwise, if I can get them open. They're childproof. Whoa. I'm not liking these new spouts too well. You gotta be careful. They kind of free pour. And you could end up wasting a lot of pigment that way. Make sure your stencil is done real well. Where's my practice now? Let me see. I am recreating SheModern's design. So we're going to go in with the green first. Rub that in nice and good. Have your lip roller handy. You don't have to, but you can. You're going to slide all over. I do love, love, love this design. Love the stencil. It's got quite a few different designs on it. That's just this one. Having trouble talking this morning. A little parched, sorry. I'll take my brush. Slightly brush this off light-handedly. Next we are going to go in with another palette. And we are going to be using the glue powder by SheModern. Dab you some out. Get your little water bottle. Put this off separately. And get you a brush. Saturate your brush. Dab into your powder. This will make a glue. And apply to your nail. This will seal in the pigment. Now, this does not cure under a light. You have to wait for this to dry, which is going to be the longer time. This is going to take, like, I don't know, you can put it under a fan, which takes less time. You can let it air dry. I'm going to go try the fan method, and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We are going to peel the stencil off now, which you want to do slowly. Oh, heck no. We're going to try it from this way, because I think we got a boo-boo. Peel this off slowly. And then just taking my whole design off with it. Oh, wait, here we go. I think I just got a little bit too long. There we go. My polish wants to peel off my nail. That is just beautiful. We're going to top coat. I am using a steel top coat by Leafew, but it's a sub-brand of Modelones. I'm going to give my other top coats a break and go back to this for a minute. And I'm going to cure this for 60. And let's see. And we will be right back. Pop that in. So to clean your stencils, let me get a lint-free wipe. Get you something lint-free. I know I got more than one here. And some, let's see, where is it? Some rubbing alcohol, isopropyl. Does not matter what strength. Oops. Whoopsie. Get this, wipe off your stencil. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Lay flat to dry. And there you go. Definitely left that on for too long. My polish wanted to peel up. We're going to top coat this one more time. This is a thinner top coat. Should have used my other stuff. Got that back in the lamp for 60. And there is our design for today. Now, just store your stencil. I'm missing my sheet. Oh, sweet Jesus. If anybody can lose something, it's going to be me. Well, get your sheet, you stick that back on, it'll adhere back to it. Place it back on the cardboard backing and slide it back in the cellophane back sheet, packet, pouch, whatever you want to call it. Clean up your stencil, not your stencil, your canvas, and call it a day. Do that on all 10 nails. You can do it as an accent nail. You can use, it's going to adhere to the cellophane pat. I can't talk. You could use this part. You can use this part here, the scallop part. You can turn around and just use this part here on the nail. You can turn it this way and use this part of the stencil. You can use all of this part on a really long stiletto or competition nail. And there we go. See how beautiful that is? I think that's just gorgeous. That's the design I picked to do for you today. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And that is it. Oh, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the all button so you get notified of, or let me back up here. Please subscribe, click the bell, and the all button when that pops up. That way you know you get notified of all future videos. I'm always feeling on everything. Let me get this so you can see. And that way you get notified of all the future videos that I upload. And I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Well, this is the end. We have come to the conclusion of our video. Sorry for babbling on. I have a tendency to do that. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.